This is your new pen.
This is your new pen.
What is your lunch?
My lunch is lunch.
What is your name?
My name is Google Kitlan.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Anandi.
What is your father name?
My father name is Karthik Kitla.
What is your sister name?
My sister name is Satya.
What is your favorite color?
Blue color.
What is your hobby?
என்னம்மா விளாடுவோம் உனக்கு பொழுதுபோக்கு என்ன?
Mango.
ஹாய் பொழுதுபோக்கு என்ன? பொழுதுபோக்கு என்ன? ஹாபி என்ன விளாடுவ?
Drawing.
Thank you.
Thank you.